In this quick guide, you'll learn how to link Zoom to HoneyBook seamlessly, making your scheduling and video conferencing tasks much more efficient. Whether you're a seasoned HoneyBook user or just starting out, integrating these tools can greatly streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the settings in your HoneyBook account. To do this, log into HoneyBook and look towards the bottom left of your screen. There, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it and this will open up a menu with various options. Once you've accessed the menu, you need to navigate to integrations. To get there, select company settings. This will lead you to a new section where you'll see a variety of options to enhance and customize your HoneyBook experience. Among these options, click on integrations. This section is essentially the hub for connecting all your favorite tools and services to HoneyBook, enabling you to manage everything from one convenient place. Next, it's time to connect Zoom. In the integration section, look for the Zoom integration option. It should be clearly labeled, making it easy to spot. Once you find it, click on Connect. This step is crucial as it will initiate the process of linking your Zoom account to HoneyBook, allowing you to schedule and manage your video conferencing directly from your HoneyBook interface. After clicking Connect, you'll be redirected to Zoom. This is where the authorization happens, ensuring that HoneyBook has the necessary permissions to access your Zoom account. If you aren't already logged into your Zoom account, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your login credentials to proceed. It's important to ensure you have the correct login details handy to avoid any hiccups in the process. Once you're logged into Zoom, you might be asked to authorize the connection. This step is where you grant permission for HoneyBook to access certain features of your Zoom account. It's a standard security measure to ensure that your information is being shared safely and with your consent. Simply follow the prompts to authorize the connection, and you'll be all set. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have successfully linked Zoom to HoneyBook. This integration will allow you to seamlessly manage your meetings and appointments, keeping everything organized in one place. By linking these two powerful tools, you can enhance your productivity and ensure that your client interactions are smooth and hassle-free. Remember, integrating tools like Zoom and HoneyBook not only saves time, but also helps you maintain a professional edge in managing your business communications. If you ever encounter any issues during this process, both HoneyBook and Zoom offer robust support options to assist you further. We hope you found this guide helpful in setting up your Zoom integration with HoneyBook. Thanks for joining us and happy scheduling.